Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is the second video on the give me oil tutorials. So as I said in the previous video, we're going to focus on the bar chords. So if you've not taken a look, or if you've not practiced, or you are new to bar chords, kindly consider watching my previous tutorials on bar chords. I'll take you through where I taught you how to play the bar chords. Yeah, so we want to use the same key, E flat. So just like we place the capo on the third fret, you're going to keep the index finger on the third fret, so it's going to replace the capo, and any other fingers they are going to replace each other, so the middle will take over from the index. So let's get to it. This video is going to be a bit shorter, so we're just going to rush through what we did. So I'm going to keep the loop running. So this one was C minor, and this one was, I think, F minor. Then this is G minor, then back to, then this one will be G sharp. Okay, this one is G sharp, this one. Okay. So I'll provide the chords on the screen, so kindly follow. So give me oil in my lamp, may my light never be dim, keep me burning until the coming of the King. Give me oil in my lamp, Lord, may my light never be dim, keep me burning till the coming of the King. I wanna burn for you. I wanna burn. So it's just the same format, just that we are not using capo this time. Burn for you. I wanna 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 burn for you. Burn. Then so F, E minor, sorry, so 2, then 3, okay. So I think that is it. So you just have to learn your bar chords very well. I think I've not been using bar chords for a time, and I'm really finding some pains. So it comes with a lot of practice for you to overcome certain pains. So just master the A minor, the D minor shape, the A minor shape bar chord, D minor shape bar chord, E minor shape bar chord, then your F. Then you have to learn the finger practice as well, so that you'll be able to be flexible. So if you see, I kind of move this middle finger to give it some flair. So without it, that's how it sounds. But when okay, thank you for watching this video this far. If you're not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe, and thank you for watching. Give a like, leave it in the comment section anything that you want me to work on. If you have suggestions, any tutorial video that you want me to work on in the future, I'll put it in my consideration list. Thank you. See you next time.